Hello everyone and welcome to an impromptu unboxing, at least for me here in real time. I wanted to unbox my Sephora Play today, but then I was thinking, why not unbox it and try on the products? Novel idea, huh? I used to do it this way, but I don't know why. I was thinking, oh yeah, I'll do the unboxing and then tomorrow I can try out the— No time like the present. Seize the day. So I am here with my handy dandy scissors to do just that. If you don't know, Sephora Play. It is Sephora's monthly beauty subscription where you get 5 deluxe beauty samples, which are typically 100-point perks that they are probably, I'm assuming anyways. Cardigan looks a little weird. There we go. That I assume they're just trying to get rid of, but you know, hey, if they can get people to pay for those things to go away, why not? I think these videos are fun anyway. So, February, here we are. We have got some fun looking package, or not packaging, but the pamphlet anyways looks fun. We've got our Play Pass here that gets us 50 extra beauty insider points if we take that into a Sephora store. Sometimes they let you redeem it online. And then we have got the bag that I hate that is see-through now because spoilers! So many spoilers. Anyways, I'm just gonna grab on in here. I'm gonna grab this first thing. It looks like we got— oh, I haven't tried these before. I think I had gotten these in a boxy charm though. I apologize, by the way. I know the lighting's probably gonna go from cool to warm to cool to warm. It's very windy outside and it is blowing across the sun. All of the clouds. But anyways, these eye masks, they are good little eye masks. These are from Wander Beauty. They're the Baggage Claim Gold eye masks. Like I said, I have tried these out before. Like I said, I think I had gotten them in a boxy charm not too long ago, maybe a few months ago. I'm probably gonna go look and it was like half a year ago, but whatever. Okay, so it sounds like, or it feels like we've got a box here. Have I tried this one before too? Oh, I can't remember. But we might just have to have a mask night tonight, which is totally okay. My skin could use some lovin', that's for sure. But this is the Fresh Rose Face Mask infused with real rose petals to hydrate and tone. That's exciting. I do love fresh. And let's see if I can— I think this is the perfume sample. So on top of the 5 deluxe samples you also do get a perfume sample or a rippy crap packet of shampoo and conditioner. At least that's what they've given out before. And it looks like we got the Stella McCartney Eau de Parfum. This was the first fragrance by Stella McCartney, inspired by the fragile beauty of a rose, blah 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 blah. It's okay on me. I think I own this in limited edition packaging, where I did buy it mainly because of the packaging. It smells okay on me. Like I said, it's just very rose. That's really all it makes me think of. But I know a lot of people really love it. And next up here we have got— all right, so I can use this right now. Thank God. I had washed my face and I want moisturizer so bad, but I feel like Sephora Play typically includes moisturizers, so on the off chance that they did, I figured I would not put on moisturizer yet, and oh, my skin is wanting it. But this is the Caudalie Vinosource Creme Sorbet Moisturizing Sorbet, if I only read the English. Apply morning and evening to face and neck. But it said either by yourself or it says either by itself or after your serum. So yay, that's exciting, just in the sense that I really want some moisturizer right now. Now we've got a little— I'll save that for last. Oh, maybe I shouldn't save it for last. Okay, well, I'll save it for last. So next up— no! Okay, I would be really excited about this actually, but this is the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. It is silicone free, it's a matte primer, it primes, blurs, mattifies, blah blah blah. I have done a review on this before, and I think that's just, you know, I make YouTube videos. That's just a part of the game here, so a lot of this, it's like— I've tried it because of that. Otherwise, so far, it looks good, this box. And this last thing here could be good, it could be bad. It's definitely Bite Beauty. Do I have the color? No! And by no, I mean yes, I do have this color. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. And I love Bite Beauty so much. And this is a gorgeous color, but like I said, I already have it. So, this is... If I was not a beauty channel and I didn't review stuff, I would probably be so excited about this month's Sephora play. However, that's not the case. But okay, anyways, let's go ahead and look at the pamphlet. What was the theme? Mix your love potion. That could be taken the wrong way. It looks like it just says that you should rest up. And they tell you how you can rest by thinking positive, putting on a mask, etc., etc. So, it says Love Struck Beauty. Show your routine a little love with bold makeup and revitalizing skincare. The Bite Beauty, it is Lip of Your Life. Milk Makeup is Matte About You. Fresh Rose Face Mask is Keep Your Cool. Wander Beauty, Heart of Gold. Caudalie, Serve Up the Softness. And the Stella McCartney is A Little Love Note. Well, shoot. Okay. Well, that's okay. We're gonna make this work. We're gonna still have a good day. I'm gonna put on this moisturizer. I will put on my Rhubarb Bite lipstick, and then later we will mask and have a jolly good time doing so. That's the plan anyways. So, we'll zoom you in here. Here's my skin. We are healing. We are on the road to healing these bits. Oh my gosh, that was an experience. Now, hopefully this doesn't break me out once again. Oh, Caudalie, you are fancy enough of a brand that you can put on a safety seal, darn it, but you didn't. This is looking a little chunky. Ew. Can you hear it? It's like it's very separated. Okay, I mean that might just be the nature of the product, but also this is definitely one of those tubes that they made look really big, but you can tell it is not full at all. It smells nice. It smells nice and fresh. Now let's see. Ooh, I can already tell just by having it on my skin a little bit that feels very moisturizing. It kind of like gives you the shivers. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Feels really good. Yeah, it just smells fresh, you know, nothing too crazy, and it did sink into the skin. It's got a bit of a tacky feel to it, but do you see this? Like, I'm squeezing it all the way, and even then it's like, I don't know, maybe you'll get more product out of there. Just feel like the sides of my face didn't really get as much moisturizer as the rest of my face. I want it to feel the love too. Oh my god, you guys, so quite possibly one of the best things just happened to me. As I was putting on my brows and a little bit of mascara, just so I didn't feel as weird wearing just a lipstick today. Because like I said, I'm trying to let my skin heal. I don't really feel like putting on foundation and stuff if I don't have to. So remember when I thought I already had this Bite lipstick in Rhubarb? Not quite! I don't! Well, I do, but I don't. I have the high pigment pencil in the shade Rhubarb from Bite, but this is the Amuse Bouche lipstick. Now, I just have to look. Are they the same color? I would assume so. I love this one. It looks like the color is fairly similar. Okay, so I do think it's the exact same color, kind of. No, it's like it looks the same, but it also looks different depending on the lighting. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on because lipstick addict right here. I have to. I just love, oh my god. I mean, do you see that? It's like one step perfection. I love the smell of these. It's just so good. I just love Bite. I'm also just now realizing that I haven't filmed the close-ups of these yet, and you guys probably saw in the close-up that this looked used, and you're probably like, wait a minute, is she planning on giving that away though? Sorry, that probably grossed a good few people out, but truly, the Bite lipstick formula is just phenomenal. This color, Rhubarb, is phenomenal. I love the scent of Bite lipsticks. I don't really know how to describe it. It really is just Bite scented, like this is their own scent. It's kind of like a minty vanilla, kind of herbally too. I don't know, I really like it. The color gorgeous, like, color too, but I was trying to refer to pigment. Actually, they are hyper pigmented. They last so well. They are so moisturizing. Like, just, if I could only have one lipstick for the rest of my life, it would pain me to not have a few different formulas, but I would pick Bite. Hands down, no questions asked. So there we go, my friends. I am going to, you know, have the moisturizer on. I'm gonna wear the lipstick, and I will just do that. I will link to my actual reviews of the Milk Blur Stick and also the Bite Amuse Bouche lipsticks if you want to see performance and stuff with them, just so I don't waste your time repeating myself. And then I will check in and we can, end of the night, do a little mask party together. Yeah, I think it'll be a jolly good time. At least that's the hope and the dream. So I'm gonna get on with my day, but I'll see you all in just a second here on YouTube land. Ready? Ding! All right. Hello, everyone. I am here. Don't be surprised, or not don't be surprised, don't be fooled. There, I kind of ruined that for you all, but this is still the exact same lipstick from earlier when I first put it on. If you don't believe me that these Bite Amuse Bouche lipsticks are incredible and just phenomenal, I don't know how else to tell you. I've had this on for like 9 or 10 hours now, if I could actually remember the time that I put this on. 9 hours. 9 hours! I've been sipping on my water bottle. I had some trail mix this afternoon for a little snack. I had pasta for dinner. And yet, is it faded in the inner corners? Yes. But are you kidding me? No. Bite Beauty says, no, we're not joking around. This lipstick is so good, and this color is just gorgeous. So I went ahead and took off the little other makeup that I had on already, and now we're gonna use this face mask and these eye masks. It's time to relax. It's time to center. It's also time to go to bed. So this you leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, can be used daily. That's kind of intense. And then these 10 to 15 minutes. So we'll do the 10 minutes for both of these. How about? So these Wander eye masks, they're beautiful, they're goopy, and they are gold. Ooh. I don't know why I'm pretending like I can use my camera viewfinder right now. I can't see that far away. And by that far away, I mean the what, like 1.5 feet that I am away from my camera at the moment. There's my eye. Placement wasn't 100% off, but it certainly wasn't too accurate either. Number 2. Boop, boop. Eye masks for me, it's like I feel like no matter what I do, I have trash bags underneath my eyes, no matter how much I sleep, no matter what products I use. But I mean, eye masks, they feel really nice. Now Fresh, I do love Fresh. I am wearing my Fresh headband in the spirit of using a Fresh face mask. They do send me PR every now and then, and I am oh so grateful. For real. Like they make me feel special. Smell this. So it kind of smells like if you've ever smelled their soy face wash, kind of smells like that. And if you don't know what that smells like, it kind of smells to me like mustard and pickles with a hint, this one anyways, with a hint of rose. But I mean, can you see all the like crushed up, like I'm pretty sure those are rose petals, right? Like looking in this like it's a mirror. Oh, I should probably go to bed. Not putting face masks on, but either way, so I guess just apply this on the skin. I mean, it doesn't really look like a mask. I guess it kind of feels like a mask. Kind of. It looks like apricot jam or something, which is dangerous. Actually, I was gonna say because it makes me want to eat it. I don't know if I like apricot jam. I'll see why not. But there. Applied it to most of my face. It's hard since this is a bit see-through once you apply it to your skin. I mean, it's got a slight sickly jaundice tint of orange yellow to it. But yeah, it's just a little difficult to see where it's been applied. But overall, there we go. good moisture, which some of my skin definitely needs at the moment. Whew, and my face just feels hyper cooled right now with both of these on. I will also say, as I sit here and wait, I'm not going to talk at you for 10 minutes, but I will say the moisturizer from earlier, it was really nice. I was surprised. At first, it didn't feel super duper moist. Like, well, it felt super moisturizing putting it on. Like, it had that cooling feeling like I was talking about, but it didn't feel, my skin just didn't feel as hydrated as it normally does with the moisturizer and serum that I typically use. But I left it on, just that. I was very tempted to put serum on with it to get me that moisture back, but I did not. And overall, it left my skin feeling moisturized throughout the day, so I did not end up being mad at it. So, can I put my glasses on with all this on my face and stuff? I can. Oh god, I am adorable. I'll be back in just a second here on YouTube land, yeah? Ready? Ding! I wasn't planning on, I shouldn't have done a ding is basically what I'm trying to say because of this angle and this lighting. Oh my god. It's terrifying. But yeah, I figured it would be better to snap transition into the bathroom here because not only can you see the back of my shirt, but also because I have to wash this face mask off. So the time has passed and I am ready. Are you like slowly tilting? Hello, camera, please don't do that. Excuse you. Better? I sure hope so. Alright. So, face masks are here. No, these are eye masks. Those are off. Now, first, it kinda makes sense to finally take my lipstick off. Now we can go ahead and wash this off. Ah, and there we have it, my friends. Ooh. Ooh, my skin feels so nice and soft and fresh. Maybe that's what Fresh was going for with their brand name. Excuse me for the shaky camera. There we go. So yeah, I mean, unfortunately for me, just with the nature of my job and everything being reviewing beauty products, this is unfortunately a box like my BoxyCharm this month, where if not for my job, I would have been stoked on this box. When's the last time I used stoked? I don't know, but it felt appropriate. However, I am so excited about that bite lipstick. I am excited about it. Well, I don't know if I'm excited. I don't know that I'm ever really excited about a face mask, but I am a-okay with that eye mask, you know? It made my eyes, my under eyes feel nice and soft and hydrated, and I will continue to use the rose face mask. So I would absolutely say that this box was worth my $10, right? I think so, based on those three things that I think were worth, you know, having in my life. Definitely let me know if you get Sephora Play, why and why not. What products did you get if you do get Sephora Play, since they do send out different things to different people. I love hearing from you guys and just hearing about how you felt about the products, even if you don't get Sephora Play. If you have tried any of these products that I tried today, how do you feel about them? What do you think? Do you like them? Do you not? Etc, etc. I mean it 100% when I say I love hearing from you guys down in the comments below. You can also let me know if you enjoyed this video by giving me a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell. You can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. Until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!